Unlocking the meaning of be in one's element. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very interesting phrase, be in one's element. It's a phrase that paints a vivid picture of comfort, skill, and enjoyment. And by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. To be in one's element means to be in a situation or environment where one feels most comfortable and is able to perform at their best. It's when you're doing something that you're not just good at, but also thoroughly enjoy. This phrase beautifully captures the essence of being both competent and happy in what you're doing. Imagine a fish swimming effortlessly in water. That's exactly the kind of natural ease and proficiency we're talking about. When someone is in their element, they're as comfortable and adept as a fish is in water. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember them better. The phrase, be in one's element, is believed to have its roots in ancient beliefs about the four elements: earth, water, air, and fire. It was thought that everything in the world was made up of these elements, and each element had its own natural place. So, being in one's element originally meant being in the natural environment that suits one best, much like a fish in water. Let's bring this phrase to life with some examples. 1. At a social gathering, imagine someone who loves socializing and meeting new people. At a party, they might say, "I'm really in my element here," because they're enjoying the social environment. 2. In professional settings, a teacher who loves educating might say, "I'm in my element when I'm teaching," because that's where they feel most skilled and fulfilled. 3. Pursuing hobbies, someone might say, "I'm in my element when I'm painting," indicating that painting is where they find joy and express their skills best. Using this phrase is quite simple. You just need to identify a situation where you or someone else feels extremely comfortable and proficient. For instance, you can tell she's in her element on the dance floor. "I'm in my element when working on complex puzzles." Remember, it's all about the combination of skill, passion, and comfort. And that's a wrap on Be in One's Element. We hope this video has not only expanded your understanding of this phrase but also inspired you to think about where you're in your element. Whether it's cooking, coding, teaching, or anything else, embracing and recognizing where you shine is a beautiful thing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep finding your element.